G'day folks and welcome to another Ken's Home video, and today we're off to the 2016 Muscle Car Masters at Sydney Motorsport Park.
I always say to people, I drive as much as I can to golf because you never know when how long you're going to be able to do it. But like any sport, it's like playing golf, and you do it a lot, but it certainly helps get your sharp. So enjoy the day. Thanks a lot.
Isn't that fantastic, Darren Knight? He jumped out, he's here, he's smiling.
Rightio folks, let's get together with a Group A and C action, or as they're known now, the Heritage Touring Cars. We're just watching Gavin getting into his Holden Gemini, and he's ready to hit the form-up grid for the first race. And Nick's all buckled up and ready to roll. We're just joining Nick on the warm-up grid, and we're lucky enough to have a camera in his car. Also a camera in the blue Gemini there, and Steve Exista. Got some footage from him. The Sydney Tirana connection heading on Darren's car. You've got Martin Bishop, who's the sector marshal, and you've got Jason and Darren from the STC as well. It's a really large field for a combined group in an A and C race. There's a lot of historic cars out there. These are the real deal from Bathurst or an Australian Touring Car Championship. And this is the view we get for Steve Exista's Holden Gemini. Also from Nick in the A9X Tirana hatchback.
Australian Grand Prix a few years ago, which is a fantastic event. I know it was a big thrill for those involved in Group A and Group C racing here in Australia as a part of the Australian Grand Prix, and Australia has something out there thanks to Shannon. Once again, they're a big part of the Muscle Car Masters. So really we saw races, different races for Group A and Group C, and now everyone's
And as they all grid up in formation, ready for rolling start, it's a huge field of the Group A and C's.
so far. Jeremy Farno has been taken up to the
It was a slow start by Steve, but gee, he caught a few people by turn 2. Rightio, let's have a look at the start again from a couple of different angles. Rightio folks, that's it for the Group A and C, or the Heritage Touring cars, for this year's Muscle Car Masters. We'll go around and see what else they have to offer. Okay, until next time from Ken's Home Video, I'll catch yous later.